All right, so special thanks to HenHot for sending us their portable charger. This is a 100 watt 2-port power bank with a 30,000 milliamp hour battery. So this has a massive battery and it will power up to 100 watts. So let's open it up. Thanks again to HenHot for sending this to me. Look at the accessories first. So we have, wow, a nice USB-C to USB-C cable. So this should charge this device, and you could use this with your other devices as well. And got a little user's guide that gives you an explanation of where everything is. And that's it for the box. And then this is the actual power bank. So you can see here on the side, a little power button, hold that. Got 3 out of 4 bars. And then you have USB-C, which you could use with a MacBook or iPhone, Samsung, Pixel, anything, as well as a regular USB-A that you could use to charge something smaller. Apple Watch, whatever else. Has 30,000 milliamp hours of battery built into this, puts out a maximum of 100 watts. So it would charge up your MacBook pretty quick. Honestly, a great accessory to have if you're an iPhone and a MacBook user, because you can get everything charging on one massive power brick. I mean, think of this as like 6 iPhone 14 Pro Max batteries. That's essentially what's in here. So thanks again to HenHot for sending this to us. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.